A lot of internationals are trying to go to Canada to study in an effort to get permanent residency there. But hold your horses. The United States have updated their system, their study visas, where you can now get a permanent residency after studying here in the United States on F1 or M visa. Stay tuned to the end of this video where I'll be sharing this news with you. Yes, I said it. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Dr. Britton, and today I'll be bringing to you breaking news updated in the USCIS system on December 20th, 2023. Well, it's not just breaking, but you're getting it today. So, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of internationals try to find international schools in Canada in an effort to become permanent residents there in Canada. Now, this rule is now going to be applied to the United States. After you finish studying in the United States, you stand the possibility of getting permanent residency after applying for a permanent labor certification. Stay tuned to learn more about this. If you've been thinking about studying in the United States before and you were not sure if this is the route for you, then let's talk some more about what is the F1 visa and what is the purpose of it. Now, if you are thinking to study in the United States, you can either come on a F1 visa or a M visa. The F visa is for academics. For example, if you want to be a teacher, you want to be a nurse, all those areas, then you get an F1 visa. The M visa is more for vocational skill areas. So depending on what you're applying to study for in the United States, it's going to be dependent on the type of visa that you will be issued. Now, people who come to the United States to study, after they have completed their studies, they are usually allowed to apply for what is called the OPT, optional practical training. The OPT allows you to work at least 1 year after you've finished studying in the United States. After that 1 year, you could then maybe seek sponsorship from another employer, or what some people do is go home, but most people try to seek other avenues after studying in the United States. Unlike Canada, it's not so difficult after you've studied for at least one year in Canada. After you study there in Canada for at least 1 year, you have more options, meaning you can get a work permit to work in Canada as well as apply for PR. It wasn't so easy for internationals in the United States, but now they have made changes to these policies. I will leave the link so you can read this for yourself. Okay, so what the policy is saying is this, and I'm going to read from the document. So the document was updated to show a better understanding of eligibility to study in the United States, requirements, school transfers, practical training, and on and off campus employment. Working as a student here in the United States, as always, have questions around it. So the document is now updated, they say, to clarify if you can work while you study. If you want to learn more about that, you can put it in the comment section below and I'll do a video on that. So what they're saying also in this document, that if you come here to study in the United States, you must have a foreign residency, that's your home country, and you must show that you do not want to abandon your foreign residency. However, students may be the beneficiary of permanent labor certification application or immigration visa petition and may still be able to demonstrate their intention to depart after a temporary period of stay. So they want to make sure when you are applying to come here to study that you have a permanent resident in your home country. However, though you're proving to them that you live, for example, in Guyana or Jamaica or Africa, wherever you are, though you're proving to them that this is your permanent address, you will still be able to apply after you finish studying for a permanent labor certification as well as an immigrant visa petition. So now you have an option once you finish studying to apply for immigrant visa petition. And when we talk about immigrant visa petition, we are mainly talking about the green card status. So if you're thinking to study in the United States, they have now updated the system where this is now new law, and that this came in effect on December 2023. So, as it relates to working while you're studying in the United States, it is possible for you to work while you study in the United States, but there are rules and regulations that guide this working time frame. It is preferred that you work on campus, and your institution will inform you about how or when or if you can work on their campus. Also, you may be able to work off campus, but again, your institution will have to approve this so that you do not violate the rules of your F1 visa. Now, a lot of institutions, they do allow internationals to study in the United States. And if you're interested to study, and if you're interested in the United States, there are certain steps you first need to take. You want to first identify what area you want to be studying in, and then you seek institutions that are offering the program you're interested in. Once you apply for this program and you are accepted, then there's going to be some things you need to follow step by step, which the university in most cases would guide you with. In addition to that, you can get somebody to assist you along the way if this is something you need assistance with. In this case, you can reach out to Supremacy Connect, where we can provide you with step-by-step guidance in assisting you in applying to and procedures to get accepted in college in the United States. Now, once you've done that, you're accepted, all paperwork has been completed, then you would be allowed, then you'll be asked to go to your embassy in your home country to get your visa stamped in your book. Now, if you were to ask me what are the areas that are mainly needed in the United States, then I would say think about the sciences, think about technology, also think about education because they always need teachers. So think along those lines, as well as, anything that has to do with the technology advances. So those are some areas you can think about, but please choose what you are interested in. All the universities that accept international students as an international body that caters to international students. You can always reach out on their admission board or find the admissions office email address and find out more about the school and how you could benefit as an international student. So, as I said before, you now are able to get permanent residency after studying here in the United States. This has been changed. This has been updated, and I will be leaving the links in the comment section. Check the comment section where I'm going to be pinning links where you can read more information about the updates to the F and M visa to show that you will now be eligible or may be eligible to apply for a permanent labor certification as well as immigrant visa petition after studying in the United States. If you got to the end of this video and you enjoyed the information shared, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and I'll see you next time. Also, if you have questions, put those in the comment section below and I will respond to the best of my knowledge. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.